This is a trains, cars, and destinations production. I hope you enjoyed the following video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for similar content. Again, hope you enjoyed the following video. Thanks for watching. Alright, so since Fisher's Island, of course, is an island in the Long Island Sound just off the coast of New London, Connecticut, technically it's part of the state of New York, there's only one of two ways you can get to this place. One, you could take the ferry from New London, or here, you can come here by your own private plane at this very tiny airport here on the western half of the island. This is known as the Elizabeth Field Airport, as you can see. It's about as close up as I can get. You can also see the Long Island Sound right there, and very far off in the distance is Montauk Point, Long Island, in the state of New York. Here's a closer view of the airport. As you can see, there's an airplane right there. Again, obviously it's a very tiny airport, so only very small private planes can actually come here. Again, this is known as the Elizabeth Field Airport. This is Fisher's Island in the state of New York. Alright, there you go. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching the preceding video. Have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you.